Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix, iTunes doesn't have App Store, get the App Store back in iTunes. Open iTunes setup file. Check remove, click next. Click yes to continue. Click yes to continue. iTunes successfully uninstalled. Click File Manager. Right-click Properties. Find your system type. My system type is 64-bit. Copy URL from description and paste it into browser search bar. Open downloaded file. Click Next. Click Install. Click Yes to install. Click Accept. Click Agree. Click Music drop-down menu. Click Edit menu. Check Apps. Click Done. Click Music drop-down menu. Click Apps. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.